Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with Phone Arena, and this is the Eyeball Slide 3G 7334i, the latest tablet from Eyeball with dual SIM support and voice calling capabilities. It has a 7-inch display with 1024 by 600 pixel resolution at a low 169 ppi of pixel density. The display is bright, but the viewing angles are not good and has poor visibility under sunlight. The display is also glossy, hence it is a fingerprint magnet. There is a 0.3 megapixel camera at the top next to the earpiece, and it lacks proximity and ambient light sensors. There are on-screen buttons for back, home and multitasking below the display. The power button and the volume rocker are located at the right, while there is a tiny microphone hole at the left. The tablet has a black bezel on the front and silver colored plastic on the sides and the back. The micro USB slot and the 3.5mm audio jack are present on the top. Over at the back, you have a 3 megapixel fixed focus camera with LED flash, and the image quality is poor even in daylight, so don't even think about taking photos on these. However, it can record full HD videos, but the video too is of low quality and is noisy. On the bottom part of the back, there are dual speakers which are good, and surprisingly, the tablet also has an antenna for wireless FM radio. You can open the plastic cover on the top to insert SIM cards, much like the Asus Pad phone. There is also a micro SD card slot in there to expand the memory up to 32 gigabytes. The SIM slots, however, are standard size slots, and it doesn't have the hot swap option unlike the phone pad. You need to restart the tablet every time you switch the SIM cards. Coming to the software part, the device runs on Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean, so you miss out on a few features such as lock screen, widgets and multi-user options. But you do get Google Now that can be launched from the lock screen by swiping up from the bottom, and you can also launch the camera by swiping to the left. The user interface is quite different from the phones with a notification tray at the bottom right. It has toggles for auto screen rotation, Wi-Fi, brightness and notifications, and has the drop-down notifications in the center. The tablet has 16 gigabytes of internal memory, out of which 12.51 gigabytes is free, and out of 1 gigabyte of RAM, 975 MB of RAM is usable with about 600 MB available when the tablet is idle. You can also move the apps to the SD card when you insert one. The tablet comes with lots of preloaded apps such as Documents to Go Office Suite, MX Player, WhatsApp and more. It also comes with Flash Player pre-installed that lets you watch streaming Flash video from the stock web browser. The music player is simple and can play several audio formats, and it also has the sound effects equalizer settings with different presets. Bass boost and 3D effect features are available for activation once you connect to your earphones. The main highlight of the tablet is the wireless FM radio, which is rarely seen on smart devices these days. You need to pull out the antenna on the back of the tablet for a better reception. Talk about legacy coming back to technology. The FM radio has RDS support too, which is surprising. Other default apps include the video player, which can play 1080p Full HD videos. It was also good to note that the audio from the bundled earphones and the dual speakers were good. In terms of dual SIM support, the tablet is very similar to the dual SIM smartphones. You have total control over each SIM card, and the SIM management settings are too similar. Coming to the connectivity, it has 3G, Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, Bluetooth and GPS. It also has the Wi-Fi Direct option that lets you share files quickly with other Wi-Fi Direct enabled devices. Interestingly, you get a USB OTG cable in the box, which lets you connect pen drives and other USB accessories. Coming to the performance of the tablet, we found it to be quite good for the price. It is powered by a 1 GHz dual-core MediaTek MT6577 processor with PowerVR SGX 531 MP2 GPU. We tried some high-end games and were surprised to see it work smooth. The tablet has a 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery, and since the tablet has 3G and dual SIM support, these affect the battery life for sure. So only if you're not a heavy user, you will get a whole day of battery life. Ideally, if you're using 3G, few calls and few hours of gaming and music, it lasts for less than a day. Concluding, the Eyeball Slide 3G 7334i has good build, offers dual SIM support and 3G with voice calling. But there are some drawbacks such as limited viewing angles in the display and the poor camera. But at a low price of Rs 9,990, if you need an Android tablet with dual SIM support that can make calls and offer on-the-go 3G connectivity, but can compromise on the camera and the display, go for it. Listed here are the pros and cons of the device. For the complete review, check the link in the description below and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.